The Northern Territory is already dealing with the impacts of climate change, and it is likely that we will be dealing with dangerous climate events into the future. But governments and the fossil fuel industry are teaming up to make this problem even worse. They want to expand gas production right across the territory. This comes at a time when almost all the other states are on target to reduce emissions. Right now, there are 3 big gas projects that will threaten our future if they go ahead. Gas Project Number 1, the Santos Barossa offshore gas mining. Gas Project Number 2, the Beetaloo Basin fracking. Gas Project Number 3, the expansion of the Middle Arm Industrial Hub. These 3 projects are all connected. Let's understand how. The Santos Barossa gas project is about mining gas from the seabed in the Barossa field. This will involve drilling wells into the sea floor to extract the gas from under the ground. Then Santos wants to lay pipes on the sea floor to transport the gas to Darwin. If this project goes ahead, there will be greenhouse gas emissions along every stage of the project: extracting the gas from the sea floor, transporting the gas to Darwin, converting the gas to a liquid, shipping the liquid gas to the consumer. In the net balance, there will be more greenhouse gases produced than there will be energy provided. The second project at the Beetaloo Basin is also about extracting gas from under the ground using a process known as fracking. Fracking involves drilling up to 4 kilometers deep and 4 kilometers across and injecting a mix of water, sand, and toxic chemicals into the rock at high pressure to release gas. Fracking leaves our precious groundwaters at risk of contamination, as well as the mighty waterways they feed. There could be as many as 6,000 of these wells during production. Fracking this gas would unleash enormous amounts of greenhouse gas emissions. All gas pipelines lead to the expansion of the Middle Arm Industrial Hub. This is the third project that connects the first 2. The NT government is calling this project the Middle Arm Sustainable Development Precinct, but there is nothing sustainable about it. It is actually being designed as a gas demand centre. Governments are telling us that this project is needed in order to transition to renewable energy. But these gas projects are not about creating renewable energy for Territorians. The gas companies investing in these projects have their own profits in mind, not sustainable energy for NT communities. We can't let corporations and governments turn the territory into a climate change sacrifice zone. The climate science is clear. The world can't afford to open up any new gas fields if we are to have a safe and livable future. Fortunately, it's not just gas that's popping up everywhere. Resistance is too. Check out the Environment Centre Northern Territory website to learn more about the work being done to stop Middle Arm Gas Hub, the Barossa Gas Pipeline, and fracking in the Beetaloo.